Now let's take a quick look at our ArchiCAD tip of the week, which is tracking model changes. As we're going back and forth between IFC projects, sending and receiving back in, it's important to be able to notice the changes that were made after you sent the project out. Everything will come in a color-coded system. So if we look here, you can see anything that comes in as blue is going to be new. So this beam was added in as new. If it's red, it was deleted. If it's green, it was existing, but there was changes made to that. Changes with the Revit model can be tracked when you're imported using the IFC process. So this is important and specific to the IFC process. So see here, they're just editing some of these elements in Revit. Okay, and then when those changes are made and we bring those back in, we would go to interoperability, detect IFC model changes, and we follow through the wizard here that brings it in. The things to note to change is you need to browse for the older version of the model, so what you had sent out, and then the newer version is what you are bringing in. And if you have a specific translator, that's fine. I just do a general import and kind of stick to the defaults through the next couple windows. Okay, and then once we bring in that new IFC file, we're going to see the changes here, just like we had talked about. This beam here is new, it is blue, same with this one here. There have been some columns and beams, some structural that's been deleted, and other things that have been brought in as new. Okay.